Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So I want to take a second and just welcome all of you, my new subscribers. Thank you so much for clicking that button and subscribing. I'm so happy that you did, and I truly appreciate it. So today's video, you guys, it is a new eyeshadow palette, and this is the eye look right here. Let me show you guys real quick. This is the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. You guys, if you guys want to see what I think about it and how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm just going to jump right into today's video. As you can see, I have my brows already filled in, I have my eyes prepped and ready, and you guys, I am super excited for today's video. And the reason for that is because I purchased a new palette and I'm so excited to share with you guys. I haven't purchased a palette from these people, well, from this company, in so long. I know they've come out with a couple of other palettes, but I haven't purchased any of them. And I was like, I don't need this one, but it just looks so pretty. And I have so many palettes that look like this, especially one that I'm just like, I really didn't need to get it, but I wanted it and I got it. So Ulta had that 20% off coupon off of any purchase at the time, so that is the reason why I also purchased this. I was like, oh, 20% off, cool. So the palette I'm talking about is the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Oh my god, I am so happy that I finally got this. I wasn't going to get it, you guys, I really wasn't, but oh my god, isn't she a freaking beauty? It is beautiful. This packaging, gorgeous. I cannot. Super luxe, super me. Like it's all gold. I love it. It's so freaking pretty. Like I really can't. So when you open it, it looks exactly the same. Like it looks like that. Oh. Okay, we're gonna go this way. So it looks exactly the same. It has the mirror and it has the, I believe, 12 shades in the palette, right? As they usually come in the palettes from Urban Decay. And their staple brush, of course. But oh my god, you guys. Let me turn it this way. This is better. It is so pretty. Oh my god. I'm so excited and so happy that I finally picked it up. Well, that I finally ordered it, so excited. Okay, so for my eyes, I did use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, the original that came with the palette, which was really nice. It also came with this right here. This is the Urban Decay Glide On Pencil in the shade 0. I actually own this. I just don't know if it was called 0, but it was definitely the 24/7 Glide On eye pencil. But that's actually really good too. So the brush is actually a little bit different. Let me see if I can find an old one. So this one right here, you guys, this is the Urban Decay number 3 brush. So they are a tad bit different. This has more of like, I don't know what you call that, but it's a little bit clearer. It's more plasticky, see-through, like a tortoise kind of thing going on here. I don't know. That's how I can compare it. I don't know. But it's still a double-sided brush, so I'm really happy. It's going to be just as good as the other brushes, I'm sure. But oh my god, you guys. I'm so excited to try this. Alright, so you know what? I'm going to stop talking and I'm just going to jump into these because they are so gorgeous. I am going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Keeper. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And I'm going to be using the Morphe JH32 brush. Alright, so that shadow blended out really nicely, really nice and even. It's not patchy or anything, and it's a really nice color for a transition. So now I'm actually going to jump into the shade Hive with the same brush just to darken it up a little bit and see if these colors layer on top nicely. Alright, so now I'm going to grab this M433 from Morphe and I'm going to go in with the shade Drip right here. All right, so staying with the same brush, I am going to be grabbing Sting from the palette. That's this last shade here. And I am going to be grabbing something with an edge, and I'm just going to be using that as a guide. And it's just going to help me create like some type of a wing. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of Sting, and I'm just going to pack that on right here on the outer V. I'm just gonna grab that first brush that I used for the transition shade, and I'm just gonna use that to blend everything out together nicely. All right, so first I'm gonna go in with HBIC, which is this bronzy color here. I think I'm going to go in with a couple of shades. And I'm using the brush that came with the palette. All right, so with the same brush, flipping the brush on the clean side, I'm gonna go in with Golden. Well, actually, I'm gonna go in with Amber, which is this shade right here. It's that other shimmer shade. Just gonna use that and go right next to this color here. Now I'm just going to clean off that brush that I used for those shimmer shadows, and I'm going to clean it off because I want to go in with the golden shade right here from the palette. And on top of Golden, I am going to grab the shade Honey and apply that right on the inner corner. So that looks really pretty. I love that. I'm actually gonna grab that brush, that Morphe M433 brush, and I'm gonna go back in with the color Sting. And I'm just going to pack on that color just a little bit more right there on the outer V. All right, so grabbing this brush right here from BH Cosmetics, I am going to be going in with Flyby. And with this color, I'm going to be applying that on the brow bone, and that's actually really, really, really pigmented. So I'm gonna have to go in and blend that out. But it is a nice color to highlight the brow bone. Just know that it's super pigmented. So I'm just gonna go in with my blending brush, and I'm just blending out everything and making it look super flawless. So the harsh edges are not visible. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I am going to apply some lashes and maybe a little bit of eyeliner, and when I'm done, I'll be back and we will continue on with the rest of the look. All right, guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I finished applying my lashes, and I also applied some liquid liner. I did go in with the Salon Perfect 614 lashes, and for the liquid eyeliner, I got this one as a sample. This is the Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner in the shade Black. I have to say that it's really good, doesn't skip, and it's super black, and it's really, really precise, you guys. I really do like it, and it was super easy to use, so that's always a plus. Now we're gonna move on to face primer. I'm going to be going in with the NYX Pore Filler Primer, this one right here. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with this one right here from L'Oreal. This is their Pro Glow foundation, and this one is in the shade Buff Beige. And to apply that, I'm actually gonna be using a brush today, you guys. This is the Sigma Angled Kabuki F84. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be grabbing these two right here. These are the e.l.f. Camo Concealers. And I'm going to be going in with the shade Medium Beige and Medium Sand, and just applying just a little bit of both. To blend this out, I'm going to be going in with this brush right here from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna blend it out. To cream contour, I'm going to be going in with this foundation stick from Makeup Revolution in the shade F13. Alright, so now I'm going to grab my RCMA powder and I'm going to set my under eye. To set the cream contour, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm so sorry you guys, my camera died. I had to change the battery pack and I didn't realize that it wasn't recording. The only thing that I did was take the Morphe M321 brush and grab the shade Drip and just run that on the lower lash line just like that. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of Queen, this color here, the shimmer shade, with the same brush, and I'm going to run that right on top of that color Drip and see if that does anything. Alright, so that shadow didn't do much. I just feel like it added a little bit of a sparkle to the lower lash line, which is nice. It didn't change the shade or anything, but it looks super pretty because it just, you know, the light hits it and you just get that little light on the lower lash line. But it's really pretty. I like it. I like both of those together. It looks really nice. I'm actually going to grab a little bit more of Honey, which is the shade right here, and just a little pencil brush, and I'm just going to apply that more into the inner corner just like that, and also bring it a little bit into the lower lash line just like that. Now I'm going to grab the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and I'm just going to line the top part of my eye and then the waterline. I just want to mention to you guys that this eye pencil from Urban Decay, it's the Glide On Eye Pencil. So good. I completely forgot how good this is. It just literally glides on super smooth and creamy. Really love it, and it stays in place, which is awesome. So if you haven't tried it, definitely pick it up. I'm so happy that I was, you know, gifted this from my purchase, which was awesome. So thanks Ulta and Urban Decay for that, because I completely forgot how good this is, and I'm so happy to have it because the last one I had, I believe, dried out. And yeah, so yeah, just want to let you guys know that. Moving on to lips, I'm going to grab this MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. And now I'm going to be going in with this lipstick from L'Oreal in the shade Utmost Taupe. On top of that, I'm going to be grabbing this Essence Plumping Nudes lip gloss, and this one is in the shade, this one is called Big Softy. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to set my face with this Catrice setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. What do you guys think? I absolutely love it, and I know I say that a lot, but you guys, I'm not going to say I love it if I don't. And to be honest, I didn't need this palette, but I was like, I want to try it. I haven't purchased an Urban Decay palette in a while, and I'm so happy that I just bought this because the shadows in here, you guys, super pigmented, super buttery, and so easy to work with. And you guys, the best thing about this is that it's an everyday palette. I am definitely see myself using this every single day. I love to get a good use of all my palettes, and since this palette is definitely ideal for every day, I mean, I'm going to be using it and abusing it. So if you are looking for a really good everyday neutral palette, this is it, you guys. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. It's not patchy, and it's just so good. I completely forgot how much, you know, I mean, not how much, but how good the eyeshadows from Urban Decay really are. Like I said before, I haven't purchased a palette from them in a long time. So when I saw this, I was like, I don't need it, but I like it and I think I want it. So yeah, I'm happy with the purchase. And if you are looking for a new one, check this out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.